Welcome to Azaan Construction, where architectural elegance meets functional excellence. Today, we invite you into a realm where innovation and luxury coexist, an ultra-modern home designed not just for living, but for thriving. This stunning residence showcases a seamless fusion of contemporary architecture, minimalistic design, and the soothing touch of nature. From the moment you lay eyes on its clean geometric lines, expansive glass panels, and open-plan layout, it's clear that this home has been crafted with both precision and passion. In this detailed tour, we'll take you through the heart of this property, from its welcoming outdoor sitting area and stylish patio space, to the serene living room, and beyond into the private quarters. We'll explore the materials, the spatial planning, the color psychology, and the unique design decisions that elevate this structure from a simple dwelling to a true architectural masterpiece. Whether you're a design enthusiast, a future homeowner, or simply someone who appreciates beauty, you're about to experience a home that reflects the future of high-end living. The exterior of this home is a bold statement of contemporary architecture. Characterized by a sharp yet elegant silhouette, the structure uses large cantilevered forms and crisp white and charcoal tones to create a powerful visual contrast. At first glance, the home appears almost sculptural, each volume interlocking with the next, creating a sense of depth, balance, and harmony. Full-height glass walls invite the outside world in, while at the same time reflecting the surrounding landscape, effectively merging architecture with nature. The outdoor sitting area is both refined and functional, furnished with an ultra-modern white L-shaped sofa and a contrasting black center table. Nestled on a charcoal gravel mat, this spot is ideal for lounging in style, whether under the morning sun or during a peaceful twilight. Every square foot of the landscape has been thoughtfully considered. Manicured green lawns surround the home, creating a soft and lush base that enhances the sharpness of the architecture. Native plants and minimalist garden beds line the perimeter, offering low-maintenance greenery that adds to the tranquility of the space. The walkways are wide and clean, leading guests directly to the entrance while giving them a taste of the elegance that lies within. Stepping inside, you're immediately greeted by a living space that radiates warmth, style, and tranquility. The first thing you'll notice is the open-plan layout, designed to maximize space and light. The living room is anchored by a large modular sectional sofa in neutral tones, creating a cozy yet elegant central gathering spot. Plush pillows and contrasting shades add a touch of sophistication and comfort. The flooring is a rich hardwood that enhances the room's warmth, while the walls balance out the space with a mix of soft matte finishes and sleek wood paneling. A modern, built-in fireplace runs parallel to the seating area, set beneath a large flat-screen TV and flanked by minimalist decor. space is completed with large indoor plants placed strategically to soften the sharp lines and add life to the room. What truly sets this space apart is the panoramic view outside. Floor-to-ceiling glass walls blur the boundary between the indoor sanctuary and the verdant outdoor landscape. Natural light pours in throughout the day, changing the mood of the space with every passing hour. It's a room that lives and breathes with the rhythm of nature, offering both calm and inspiration.